Hi everybody, this is Andrew Masters from FIBO Group and welcome to my weekly Forex report. On Monday, we expect the week to kick off slowly as a lack of statistics hit the market, but there may be a few trading opportunities in the US dollar with the release of the latest existing home sales figures from the American session. On Tuesday, during the Asian session, the market will await a speech from Reserve Bank of Australia Governor Glenn Stevens on the state of the Australian economy. The rising level for the Australian dollar in recent weeks has created a headache for the RBA, who would like to see a lower currency, and we may see it come under pressure if Governor Stevens once again talks the Australian dollar down. During the European and American sessions, we'll see market service manufacturing PMI from France, Germany, the Eurozone as a whole, and the US. All numbers from the respective countries have come in above 50 in recent months, which shows an expanding market, and another healthy number may lend some support to the euro and US dollar. On Wednesday, we'll see more data out of America with mortgage application figures as well as new home sales numbers for the month of February, which we expect will create some volatility and trading opportunities in the US dollar. Later in the session from New Zealand, we'll see import, export and trade balance figures, which will be the first major news release after the Bank of New Zealand cut interest rates last week. These figures will be closely watched, as the central bank noted after the rate cut they were prepared to move again on the back of disappointing data, and we expect volatility in the New Zealand dollar surrounding this news. On Thursday, the focus will be on the European session with the release of retail sales figures from Great Britain for the month of February. The figure came in at -1% last month, which was well down on the previous month's figure of 2.3%, and another disappointing number may see the British pound come under pressure. In the American session, we'll see the latest durable goods number, which comes back on last interest rate decision from the US Federal Reserve, where they decided to keep rates on hold at 0.5%. The number may prove important for guide on future rate hikes by the Fed, and volatility is expected in the US dollar. On Friday, the market is expected to kick off slowly with the closure of Australian and European markets due to the celebration of Good Friday. We may see some action during the American session, with quarterly GDP figures from the US hitting the market towards the end of the session. The figure came in at 1% last time, which was slightly better than the 0.8% figure in the previous quarter, and another good reading should see the dollar finish the week on a high note. That's all from me at FIBO Group, and I'll see you all next week.